kids. Excuse me. Let's just count over here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Let's do some stuff with big numbers today, kids. Only watch this video if you're ready to do cool stuff with big numbers. It gets kind of tricky, but that's why they're big numbers. You can make yourself a T-bar, or you can just watch me do it if you want. But if you like to get involved and do it with your whiteboard or a piece of paper, make a T-bar. And on this side of the T-bar, we're going to make little lines of circles. But we're going to make them nice and straight, and we're going to put 5 in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chocolates. And then under that, put another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 plus 5 is 10, right, kids? 5, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chocolates. Put them in a box. A box of 10 chocolates for Mr. Elliott. And right up here, we're going to write 10. Because that's going to remind us that these are boxes of 10 chocolates, kids. Next, I don't know about you, but I like a lot of chocolate. So let's get one more box of chocolate for Mr. Elliott. We're going to go, just come down a little further and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And put it in a box. Now, kids, I like chocolate, so I might get going a little too fast for you because I'm getting excited about chocolate, but like, if I go too fast for you, you can just pause the video and catch up and then turn it back on when you have 2 boxes full of 10 chocolates each. But who only wants just 2 boxes of chocolate? You're probably going to want 3, right? I know I will. So I'm going to go for one more box of chocolate down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Box that bad baby up. 10 chocolates in that one too. See, we were counting by tens over here and we said 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If these are 10 each, kids, couldn't we count those chocolates by just counting them by tens? 10, 20, 30 chocolates. Let's check if it's true. We'll count it the hard way. I'm going to go super fast, so hang on to your seats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Just like we said, 10, 20, 30. But it's a lot faster to count by tens, right, kids? 10, 20, 30. But right up here, we're going to say we have 3 boxes of chocolate, okay? But sometimes, kids, you find like just a loose one out here like that. That's kind of a big chocolate. We'll make it the same size as the other guys. So that would just be one chocolate out there by itself. It's not in a box, so it doesn't go into this count. But maybe we'd make a count for all the loose ones that we find on the side. And if we're lucky, we might find a few more. Like if there's 4 of you kids and Mr. Elliott's going to eat these 3 boxes of chocolate, but maybe if there was 4 kids with me, they could each have 1 chocolate. So we would have 4 loose ones over here. So I'm going to write, right up here, I'm going to write that number 4. Because I have 4 loose ones on the side, kids. And then I'm going to go like this. 3 boxes of chocolates and 4 loose ones. How much could that be? Like all together, how many chocolates is that? Let's take a look. Let's count by tens the easy way. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. I'll write that right here. 34, 4 chocolates. 34. Well, look up here, kids. 34. 3 boxes of 10 and 4 loose ones. And that's what it means, kids, when we write 34. Let's try another problem. Let's say it was cookies. Because we all like cookies, and they're easy to draw. In this time, we have, say, 4 boxes of cookies and 7 loose ones. So you write that up there and see if you can draw it. But we could draw it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes of chocolate. Or cookies, sorry kids, there's cookies. And you can imagine that in each one of these, there's 10 cookies. Even in these ones. But we don't have to draw them in here because we already know there's 10. So we can already count them by tens. And over here for the 7 loose ones, we'll just draw 7 cookies. I like to, when I get to 5, I like to turn the corner and start another line. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now, let's see what number we made. We could count them the easy way. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. I'll put that right here. And of course that matches exactly what we had up here already because we knew we had 4 sets of 10, 4 boxes of 10 cookies, and 7 cookies outside of a box. 4, 7, 47. Bada boom. I'm going to do one more number with you to show you one trickier thing you can show, like if you're showing a younger kid or something and you want to show them just how tricky you are with your math. I'm going to erase all this, but I'm going to keep my T-bar because it's going to come in handy for this last one. We're going to try, and I'm going to just, let's see. Today, one of my students told me that they would like the boxes to have M&Ms, but they're just little boxes with only 10 M&Ms in them, so they're just little guys. And I'm going to have a lot of those because I love M&Ms. As many as I can get. So here's a bunch of boxes of M&Ms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Everybody say, M&Ms. And then give yourself one more box of M&Ms. 8 boxes of M&Ms. And you'd be going, oh, all right, I got 8 boxes. And there's 10 in every box. So you'd be putting 8 right here. And then you'd be looking around for, did I lose any loose ones? And look over here, this time, I don't see any loose ones. So if you don't see anything, what is that number for when you see nothing? What's for nothing? You're right, it starts with a Z, and it's 0. We're going to put the 0 right here. All right. Now, take a look at how many M&Ms we have. If there's 10 in every box, because remember, each one of these boxes has 10 of these little guys inside. 5, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you could do that in every box. If you had a lot of time, you could do it in every box. But you don't have to. If you don't have as much time, you got other things you're planning to do today, maybe you're going to go look for ladybugs or something, then you could just write the boxes without the M&Ms inside, and then you could count them by 10 like we did over here, like this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 8 boxes makes 80. But look, kids, this is how you write 80. We can see it right over here because 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 is written with an 8 and a 0. And oh my gosh, kids, Doesn't that 0 match this 0 right here? Because we have no loose ones. We just have 8 tens, and no ones. 80. So when you have like 50, that means you have 5 tens, no loose ones. 40 would be 4 tens, no loose ones. Tens, ones. It's tricky, but if you mess around with it enough, it starts to make a lot of sense. But I do think you should get out there and find some ladybugs.